Hello everyone, welcome back to Max Channel with me Noonan. Today I will show you how to easily check the battery health of your MacBook. First, what you want to do is select the Apple logo in the top left hand corner and select the second option from the top, System Settings. In your system settings on the left hand side, you have your entire menu there. The fourth option from the top is battery, and we're simply going to select that. From here, you can see at the summit it says low power mode and then battery health. Mine says normal, but there's an eye icon next to it that you can click. If we open that up, this also tells us the condition of the battery. So mine is on normal. The maximum capacity, currently mine is at 84% of a total 100% when it's brand new. And then you can choose to turn optimized battery charging on or off. It's that simple to see the status. If you want to get more granular detail, what you want to do is press and hold the option button and select the Apple icon again. This time, it will show you an option called System Information. Now, while pressing that button, select it. This gives us a lot more data about our Mac. We want to scroll down to where it says Power. It's about halfway through. This section gives us much more detail about the health of that battery. You can see the cycle count, the condition, and the capacity. Those are two ways for you to check the battery health of your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, let me know by giving a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge your computer knowledge, hit that subscribe button to support Max Channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Noonan and see you next time.